Hi everyone, I'm Kendall, leading the billing group here at Paddle. As you've heard from our product teams, we're continually releasing innovative features to develop the leading merchant of record solution for software businesses. You probably noticed that most of the releases mentioned today are caveated with billing only, so I wanted to take this opportunity to reiterate that we remain dedicated to ensuring that our full customer base can benefit from these recent and upcoming launches. With that in mind, I'm going to share a quick recap of the migration process from Classic to Billing, and then talk about what's coming next. For customers that have no recurring revenue, meaning you use Paddle to sell one-time products or to issue invoices, then making the switch to billing is completely within your control. The steps are as simple as enabling the access in your account, setting up new products and prices, then launching the new billing checkout. Our dev docs include a detailed guide for each of these steps. If you're using Classic invoicing, the process is even faster because your invoicing customers and products are already available in billing when you enable access. Now, for the majority of Classic customers that do have subscriptions, the switch follows the same process with an additional step of migrating existing subscribers to billing after you launch your checkout. This process is managed by the Paddle team today and involves mapping Classic subscribers to the equivalent price in billing. We then port all data related to the subscription across to billing. Several Classic customers have completed the switch and are already benefiting from the upgraded developer experience in billing, plus native support for recurring invoicing, add-ons, and multi-line subscriptions, more robust pricing localization, and the releases covered today. Thus far, we've migrated just under 1 million subscriptions from other providers and Classic into billing. But we know that this process is not fast enough for those of you eager to move over to billing. So with that in mind, we're looking at this process and how we can make it more akin to a one-click magic experience. We're working to ramp up our subscription migration capacity and to introduce a self-serve experience for migrating subscribers to billing.